Like for example, if you can do these daily activities, like for example, one day promote one of your products, one of your affiliate marketing products, then another day promote a software, then another day promote one of your YouTube videos, and then another day like only write an email without any links, just to give value to your email list. And if you can do that every single day and create content and document your own journey, guys, it's going to be a matter of time in which you are going to start collecting leads. Okay, so let me check the grammar. So I recorded this video about promoting digital products and making commissions. This is a step-by-step, click-by-click tutorial. If you want to learn over my shoulder, this is a step-by-step, click-by-click tutorial. If you want to learn how I do it over my shoulder, watch the video. Okay, I'm going to go to my YouTube channel, copy this link, and I'm going to paste it here. Watch my video. Paste and insert. Okay, so that's it, guys. Then I'm going to click next. Building multiple income streams. So I'm going to change this subject line. Hey, let's check this one. AI subject line generator. So what keywords should appear in your subject line? Promoting digital products. What kind of business do you have? Affiliate. So let's check this one, guys. Affiliate program generate. So let's see what are the results from the response. Pick your favorite subject line. You'll be able to customize it. Unlock your potential, boost your income, transform your business, ready, join the data. Nah, I don't like it. I use my own. So here I'm going to, I need to write, so we need to write something like catches people's attention, like this is how I do it. Or let's put like something like watch over my shoulder. So let's check this one, guys. Watch over my shoulder. Okay, then what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on perfect timing because get response is going to send that email to my email list. So when people are like seeing their inbox, their email inbox. Okay, we are ready to go, guys. The subject line, watch over my shoulder, recipients, 625 contacts. I have the message, the spam check is good, and then we're going to click on, I forgot something. So I'm going to click here on edit message because when I promote a YouTube video, I usually like to put the thumbnail of my video. So I'm going to go here and use this thumbnail. I'm going to go again to my YouTube channel, copy this link because I want to add here, I want to add a link on this image. So as you can see, I have this